glad you guys are here. So what I have here is this gorgeous, warm, creamy, sandy color palette. I am using titanium white with 2 parts paint, 1 part Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, water to thin. I have parchment by Liquitex. All my paints are about a slight mound. I have a custom mix here of Artist Loft metallic silver mixed in with 24 karat gold, and it makes this gorgeous champagne gold. I am using some suede here. Okay. I believe that is by Folk Art. I have a little bit of my 24 karat gold. And then I have bronze. So this is a 12 by 36 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I have 2 cups that I have cut that I am going to pour in. If you guys haven't checked out my recent videos, please do so, as well as my new texture art. I am kind of venturing into some abstract painting in between my fluid art and some commission pieces. And I'd love for you guys to take a look. Please don't forget to subscribe as well as comment at the end of the video. It really helps support the channel and I appreciate it. Laying a puddle here, laying a puddle here, and our 2 cups. And then I'm going to sandwich that in with that gorgeous creaminess.